If you're 24 years old, did you know you can get Amazon Prime free for 6 months? I'll leave a link in the description that takes you to this landing page. So it's called Amazon Prime for young adults. It's for 18 to 24-year-olds or for students. It used to be called Amazon Prime Student. So you get free trial, 6 months, Amazon Prime for free. You also get 5% cash back, which you don't get on the normal Amazon Prime subscription. And after the trial ends, you actually get Amazon Prime for half off, so $7.49 per month. Best deal for Amazon Prime that there is. There's also these other exclusive offers that happen. So you get 5% cash back every day, but there's like different products and stuff. And you get $0 food deliveries through Grubhub Plus, streaming from Prime Video, everything that's in the Prime membership benefits. Now, if you're not 24 years old or if you're not between that age or a student, then you can still get Amazon Prime by clicking that link for 30 days. So there's a 30-day free trial as well. And after that, it's full price. But if you do qualify for the government assistance or Prime Access membership, you can get a discounted rate. But that's Amazon Prime for young adults, formerly Amazon Student. If you're 24 years old, or if you're even just between 18 and 24, or a student, you get Amazon Prime free for 6 months. Link in the description or the top comment down below.